Let's talk about one of those little tech frustrations that can seriously throw off your day. We're going to show you exactly how to stop Microsoft Outlook from opening links in whatever browser it feels like and put you back in charge.
You know exactly what I'm talking about, right? You're in the middle of your workflow, you click a link in an email, and bam! It opens up in some browser you haven't touched in ages. Suddenly, none of your passwords are saved, your extensions are gone. It's a total momentum killer.
Well, the good news is that's all going to stop today. We are going to walk through the super simple steps to make Outlook open links in your preferred browser every single time. It's time to get back in the driver's seat.
Okay, first up, let's get your phone sorted out. And here's the best part. It doesn't matter if you're on Android or an iPhone. The fix inside the Outlook mobile app is exactly the same for both. Super simple.
Seriously? This couldn't be easier. Just open up the Outlook app. In the top left, tap your little profile icon, then hit that Settings gear. Now just scroll down a bit to the section called Preferences, tap on Open Links With, and there you go. Pick the browser you actually want to use. Done.
Just a quick heads up on this. When you get to that screen to choose your browser, you'll see your default browser and, of course, Microsoft Edge. Now, if you don't have Edge installed, Outlook will kind of nudge you to go download it. You can totally just ignore that if you're happy with what you've got.
All right, phone handled. Let's switch gears to the desktop. Now, this is where things are a little bit different. How you fix this on Windows is not the same as how you fix it on a Mac. But don't worry, they're both really easy once you know the secret.
So for all you Windows users, the setting is hiding right inside Outlook itself. You just go up to File, then click on Options. From there, you'll want to go to the Advanced tab, scroll down a little ways, and look for File and Browser Preferences. You'll see a drop-down menu that gives you the choice between your default browser or Microsoft Edge. Just pick the one you want, click OK, and you are good to go.
So here is the absolute key difference you need to know. On a Windows PC, you change this setting inside Outlook, but on a Mac, Outlook doesn't have a setting for this at all. Instead, it just obeys the master setting for your entire computer.
That means for all my Mac users, your fix is even broader. You're going to open up your computer's System Settings and head over to Desktop and Dock. In there, you'll see an option for Default Web Browser. Whatever you choose here, that's what Outlook and pretty much every other app on your Mac is going to use from now on.
And just like that, you've done it. You are officially back in control. So let's just quickly recap what this means. You've taken a really annoying default setting and bent it to your will.
I mean, think about what you've just accomplished. You now have complete control over this. You've set a specific browser for Outlook on your phone, and you've set one for your desktop. And the coolest part? They don't have to be the same. You can use Chrome on your computer and Safari on your iPhone, or any combination you want. It's all tailored to how you work best.
So now that you've wrestled back control from Outlook, it really makes you think, doesn't it? Taking a few minutes to master these tiny little settings can save you so much time and frustration every single day. So I'll just leave you with this thought. What small tech annoyance are you going to conquer next?